So today we will learn about the Microsoft Excel and then a little bit more about the functions, also formula also. So Excel, by using the Excel software, we can create a spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is composed with so many sheets. SHEET sheet here. So this spreadsheet has formula sheet, count sheet, and then sum if sheet also. So the first sheet is about the formulas. So at the sheet, there you will see here column name. Here the column names. Column names are A, B, C, D like that. These are the row name. So every cell have number. So if you click on this cell number is H4. Every cell has number. Yeah, like that. So you can download this from the Google Classroom first. After that, here now we were trying to answer the question here. So identify the cell references and range. So red color cell is here. This cell is C2 cell, right? And then green this cell. So you see, what is that? This cell's name. References range. This cell is. Yeah, hello, Young. This cell is. Young, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, this cell name is. E2. E2. Okay. So you need to write down here E2. This cell name is E2. You need to write down here E2. And then here this cell. Now here, so could you please say what is the range of these yellow cells? These yellow cells, the range is from C. Hello,
C4 to
yes.
F4.
Yes, right. So you need to write down here. Yellow is C4 to column here, column, and then F4. Yes, yellow cell is C4 to F4. Yes, and then for the blue cell, Anna, could you please say the range of blue cells? Hello, Anna. C.
C6 to F6.
Yes, right. So you need to write down here. Blue is C6 to F6 here. And then for the orange, also same level, but C8 to F8. Yeah, so yeah, for the orange also, you need to write down here C8 to F8. Yeah, like that. So answer like that. After that, number 2 question is to rename the blue, orange, and bubble cell range. So we can give the cell name according to orange and bubble. So we name the orange, blue, orange, and bubble cell. So here this cell name, one cell is here C6. Now I would like to give the name for this cell. So first you need to click and drag here to select all of these cells. After that, here you can give the name. Now I will give this name BLUE, blue, like that. Okay, so when you click on this selected cell, here you need to give here blue. Now I will write here blue, enter, blue and enter. So if you select this, it will show here blue. So you can give the cell name here. So to contents for now to recall later. Okay. So now here this click and drag here. After that here rename ORANG orange. If when you finish, click on the enter button. And whenever you select this, it will show here orange. And then here for the bubble also select and then here rename bubble, enter. So these cells are bubble name. So you can give the cell name. So number 3 question is complete the simple sums, identifying the correct range. Not simple sum function. So now here for the total for this one, you can call the function. So to call the function here, click on auto sum below the home menu, click on the auto sum and click on the sum. So it will show here like that automatically. So the function start with equal and then SUM. If you see here what SUM, this means this is the function. And then start from the L3 cell to L9 cell will show automatically. You can enter, click on the enter. And then for the math also select the cell and here, click here and then click on the math. So it will show here the cell L3 to L10, but L10 is the total, not include. That's why you need to change here L9 and then enter. So this is the maximum value among these. After that, miniman, select the cell, and here, click on the miniman. Also, you need to change the cell range is from here to here. Also, click and drag also 5. Finish, enter. And then for the average, also select it. And then here, click on the average button. And for the average, also, you need to find amend these. Chicken to the right, click and drag down, finish, enter. So you will get all of the values like that. So for shopping list also like that. And then now the next is mobile phone. Okay, so for the mobile phone, also you need to create like that. So now again, so say here, first line right here, first line click here, select the cell. After that, so this time we were trying to create with the and here shopping list table, complete the function for the shopping list table also, and simple sum function. Yes, so shopping list table also finished now, and then here number 5 is format the mobile phone table like the shopping list table. Okay, so mobile phone table also we need to format like a shopping list table. So to format here yellow field here. So for this one here yellow field. Select these two, click and drag, and here yellow field, format it, and then here select this cell also and yellow field like that. So click and drag and click on the fill color button. And also here you need to create a border. Border here, this table has a border. So to create a border, select all of these like that. And then here click on the home menu and you will see here border. Here click on the arrow and click all borders. So you will see like that. So now mobile phone is like a shopping list table like that. Now I want to create a total here. So here you see what should I write here? What should I do here? Select the cell. After that, hello, Yanzo. Click on that. Hello. Sam, yes, Sam, and check it. The range is correct. It's okay. Enter. And then the next is math. So you see here, math, and then the range is not correct. Total shouldn't include. So click and drag here again. The values will change. Enter. For the mean also, hello Anna. Yeah, hello Anna. Click mean and here change the range. Click and drag up to 909. Okay, enter. So for the average also, here this, and I also say click on the average and then click and drag down up to 09 and click enter. So you will get all of the answer like that. So this here, complete the functions for the shopping list table, finish. Format the mobile phone table like the shopping list table, also finish. Complete the functions for the mobile phone table. So for the mobile phone table functions also we finish. Now at the rest of the spreadsheet, you will see here this plus. So 4 plus 15, here this one. So at the formula bar also you will see this we call the formula. Formula also start with the equal, and at the formula you can use the operator minus, plus, into, slash is for division. Okay, so now to do like that, this one finished. So now for 2 minus 433 minus 353, we want to create the formula. So you must select the cell first. After that, every formula start with equal, and here select this cell. And here you can type this one also, or select this cell. After that, you need to type the minus, and then select this cell and enter. So this is the subtraction result. Here, select this cell. Okay, now today's I'll see. What should I write here? Now I want to multiply. This asterisk is for multiply. Multiply this to so formula. What should I write here? Today's all. Formula စခြင်း and you also say what should I write here to start for the formula? Hello you. Today's all. And I also also yes. For the formula start with
Equal.
Yes, start with equal. After that, select this cell and then type the asterisk key from your keyboard, shift and 8 button together. You will get the asterisk. This is for multiplication operator. And then select this cell. Finish, enter. So this result is multiplication, this cell. So the next one, here, this is division. This is division, division. Okay. So now here, this cell and this cell want to add. So for this one also, to this I'll say, what shall I write here? To this, so
Equal.
this, yes, equal, no? So for this one is, I make mistake. Now here, equal, and this cell, and multiply, and this cell, one finish, enter. So here start, yes, to this I'll say equal. After that, select this cell. After that, hello to this cell, plus, and then this cell, enter. So you get the result, plus. And here this cell, type the equal, and this cell, and multiply, this cell, enter. So you will get all of the formula answer. Okay. Now try it. So now we'll learn for the count function. Yeah, the next function is about the count function. So at your spreadsheet, you need to open the next sheet here. The sheet name is count. Yeah, this one. So we can count. Yes, see. Yes. So now here, we can count how many values, how many cells have the values here. We can count by calling the count function. So there are three kinds of count function: count, count, and count a and count if. Count a, and count if. These all will count the values but different ways. So for the first one, how many cells have the values? We can call the count function here. So how many cells have values? So now here count number. Here now we would like to call the function. So start with equal. And then here you can type here C. Here start with C. So O, U, and then here at the drop down list, you will see count, double click on it. Now we call the function count to count the how many cells have values. So now here we need to select the range. So select the range up to here, or here finish, all finish, click on the close parenthesis here and enter. So it will show the 6. This means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cells have number. So count function will count the cells that cells have number. Number ပါတဲ့ cells တွေကိုပဲ count function က count လုပ်တယ်. Okay. So now the next we will learn about the count a function. Count a function will count the all values. Values about all values mean number, also string, also character, also at the cells. Cells ထဲမှာ value ပဲရှိရှိ count a function က count လုပ်တယ်. Okay နော် so count all nationalities. So အားလုံးကို count လုပ်ချင်တယ်ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်ဒီမှာ now I will create here equal count ou count function. Now I will call just only count function, and then here let me check. Start from here to here, click and drag down. After that, close parenthesis and enter. So it will show 0 because count function will count here. Count function will count just only number value cells. So all of these cells have a number. Number in this will show the 0 count function. That's why if you want to count the cells, the values with strings or character, you must use count a function. Now I will change the formula equal count a function. After that, I will click and drag down the range here and close parenthesis and enter. So now you will see here 12. 12 cells have values like that. So for the fruits also count all fruit. That's why. So you need to say what should I write here? Which function to count all of the fruits? Count all. Yes, count A because yeah, the cells have COU. The cells have string values. Yes, count A and click and drag down the range and close parenthesis, enter. Yes, you are got like that. And here count all mobile also. And I say here which formula, which function should I need to write here to count all of these values? Hello, Anna. Anna.
Count A.
Yes, count A, no? So if you write count A this way, show 0 where they are like count A where the one, this one. And here close parenthesis, and you will see the values like that. Now the next function we will learn, the next function. The next function is about the count if function. Count if. Count if in here, quarterly. Here the values for nationality, quarter. Nationality is quarter. So quarter value here, now we want to count just only the quarter. Just only the quarter value we want to count. So we have a selection. ရွေးရတော့မယ်အားလုံးကို count လို့မှာမဟုတ်ဘူး quarter ရှိတာလေးပဲ count လုပ်ချင်တယ်အဲ့ဒါဆိုရင် you must use the equal count if function. Count if function here. Count if. So the range is here from here to here. Count it. After that you need to write the range and comma and this means criteria here. You will see the criteria. This means equal with this one. And then close parenthesis, enter. So you will see the 5. This means we want to count the values from here to here. Same with E7. E7 is quarter. So it will show 5. So for the French also like that. How many French here? We want to count how many French. Just only how many French. So start with equal. Yeah, so see which machine should I need to create here to count? Just only French.
Count if.
Yes, count if here. Count if. E-O-U-N-T. Yeah, count if. And then yeah, range means what should I do here? Range address. Click and drag down for the range between here. After that, comma. Not the name, comma, email, comma. And then the values, criteria mean which value? So the values is this one. French. Close parenthesis, enter. So this will show result here. Okay, so when you finish this one, you can click and drag down. It's also okay, fine. Because here, this formula also change E19 is finished. Okay, just only one time finish, click and drag down, you are good. So for the Apple also do like that way. For the Sony Xperia also like that way. Find yourself for the next table. We learn about the count A function. Okay, and then yeah, the next question is format the final table so it looks like the other 4 tables. Remember to mark the top row. So now yeah, final table here. The final table wants to be formatted like that, this one. So here the first row, this row, and so this row is already matched. 4 cells together, 1 cell already matched. And then yeah, this and this should be matched. So how much means select the cell and here match and center. Oh, sorry, click on the match cell. Mark cell. You will see like that. And then here this sentence want to show to the center. Here center. And then here fake color yellow. And for this one also fake color gray. Gray color like that. Finish. And then table border. Select the cell and click on the border here and all border like that. So you will get like that format. And also create this one also. Select the cell, all border. And for this one, and these fake color gray. And for all of these, fake color is yellow and the font color is red and also blue also. Okay, like that. Do the format like that and also create the function also like that way. Try by yourself for the count sheet.